It used to be okay to have pretty terrible experiences for consumers.
Maybe 10 or 15 years ago, just being online was something to differentiate you from your competitor.
Now, and especially with the younger generation that has grown up, their expectations about quality of the software they use has gone up considerably.
I use these amazing devices every day, or I use them at home. My TV now has interfaces.
What software does for us, how it looks, how we interact with it.
Consumers are taking those expectations into the workplace.
If everything else is well designed, why isn't my enterprise software?
It is easy to be hard, and it is hard to be easy.
There's a quote by Arthur C. Clarke that advanced technology is indistinguishable from magic.
I thought I would be a comic book illustrator, so I went to art school. And then I figured out that designers have this really, really interesting ability to affect how people understand things by the way that they design it.
Computers are far outside the hands of just the technical experts. Everybody uses tools.
You and I can create the same application, because we have access to the same open source frameworks. So what makes my application better than yours? And it's really just the way it's thought out.
I think the user experience today is now the differentiator. To make something interesting and better, you have to really think about the people using it.
When I test some of the concepts and prototypes in the usability lab with users, the most interesting comments that I hear are, oh, can our software do this now?
UX is changing the world just in general, not just at Sabre, because we are moving so fast. The pace of life, nobody has time to figure out an application.
So that's why it's becoming more important for designers and researchers to say, hey, what matters? How do we get this to work, and how do we get it to be successful?
To allow somebody who has no understanding of what an application is to know where they need to go, how they get there.
Building things in such a way that customers are excited about them and that they want to leverage them and that they enjoy that product. And that comes from design.
If you can go beyond the basics and get to truly understanding what people are trying to do,
They'll feel it and they'll feel like it made them a better person. A great product will transform the person who's using it, and they won't think of the product as the thing that's great. They'll think of themselves as being the thing that's great.